All right, let's level up your cooking game by making the perfect bacon.
Everybody loves bacon, but not so much the mess. If you put it in a skillet, it just splashes grease everywhere. So we're going to teach you how to make bacon with easy cleanup. The first thing you're going to want is a baking pan, and you'll want to get some parchment paper if you can. That makes it super easy to clean up. The baking pan itself will be fairly easy too. But all you want to do is line your baking pan with parchment paper and then lay out your strips of bacon. Now you want to make sure that they are not overlapping. They can touch, but you don't want them to overlap. If they overlap, then they won't get done where they've overlapped at, and nobody likes that. The next thing you're going to want to do is turn on your oven. Now, when you turn on your oven, you're going to want to set the temperature to 400 degrees. You can bake it at a lower temperature, but 400 tends to make it really crispy. Once you've got your oven set to 400 degrees, put your bacon in the oven on the middle rack or as close to it as you can there, and set your timer for 18 minutes. Now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky because your first batch you want to set at 18 minutes if you like your bacon crispy. If you like it not so crispy, then you'll want to set it a little bit less. But every one after that, you'll want to knock off a few minutes, like maybe go to 16 minutes on the next one because the baking pan will be hot. Now, let's go ahead and pull our bacon out and see what it looks like. Oh boy, doesn't that smell good? Look at that. Now, I like my bacon crispy, and that looks absolutely perfect. Now, what I like to do is I like to use a spatula when taking this off because you can slide your spatula underneath the entire grouping of bacon here, and you'll be able to hold it up and let it drain. You can drain some of the grease off of there, and then you don't get so much grease on your plate. I also like to put a paper towel down on top of the plate that I sit the bacon on because it sucks out the rest of that grease there and lets it sit up for a little bit so that that bacon gets a little bit, less flimsy. Boy, doesn't that look good? Oh my goodness, my mouth is just watering looking at this. I know yours is too. Now, the bacon that I like to use when I do this is very specific. It's the Jimmy Dean Applewood smoked bacon. It's not well known, but it's a great bacon. Thanks for watching.